Hello everybody, I'm Takeshy, and it's time to watch yet another episode. Most likely the episode 22 of My To Pony Friendship is Magic. A bird in the hoof. I see Fluttershy in the thumbnail, and because it's bird, it should be a Fluttershy episode. Or maybe Gilda is coming back. I don't know, let's simply see. I don't want a long intro, so let's start the video in 3, 2, 1, now. Yes, it's Fluttershy's cottage.
Mr. Mousy. Now you stay off that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all.
Okay, Fluttershy is a vet.
You're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
And apparently she is late. Oh, Bunny, Angel Bunny is late.
Watch? You wanna be a watch?
No, you have to go.
Running out of time? No, you're late?
Angel Bunny is late from somewhere. No, Fluttershy is late from somewhere.
I'm late for a very important date. The big
Date?
for Princess Celestia at Sugar Cube Corner.
Oh, with Princess Celestia, okay. I thought Fluttershy had someone.
For a party, and we all promised we'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do I look alright? Do I need to bring anything? Maybe I shouldn't go.
No, you should go.
I'm missing it. Oh, thanks, Angel. I mean, if you hadn't reminded me, I might have not remembered, and
Just
then I would
go.
be wondering where I was, and oh, right, I'm late. Oh, okay then. See you later.
Okay, I might change my opinion about Angel Bunny. She was not my best character when they announced it. Her or him. I think it's her. She was asshole, but now she have the Fluttershy go. She reminded Fluttershy about the time.
So, what do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards anyway?
They won't say a word.
Hello? Anybody home?
Oh, they are like the British Guards of the King.
Ooh, you're good. Too good. I'm bored. Phew, made it.
Halt! Who goes there?
No one. Never mind. I'll go home.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
You have a list.
Thanks, Twilight.
I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy. It wouldn't be the same without you.
There are 6 of them, come on. You could just say them that.
How's
Oh no!
doing? Good?
Wait.
Good.
You have a ton of
Yes, we can get for you, dearies.
characters. And the red pony is there.
Yes. Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first.
Oh, you and your tender, loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
Wow, Twilight. I thought I was the only one who got nervous at social gatherings.
Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
But she's met us all before.
Yes.
I read about you in my letters, but this is the first time she spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good impression.
That's
Well, I'm
true.
sure you have nothing to worry about. Besides,
There will be something to worry about.
right?
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful! You're gonna spill something!
Ooh, that looks delicious.
What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me!
Or or perhaps not that casual?
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first?
Just eat what
Oh,
you
never
want.
mind, I'm not hungry.
It's okay, Twilight. So our friend's manners aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice.
Okay.
Oh, chocolate fountainy goodness.
A thousand pardons, Your Majesty.
That's quite all right, thank you.
That majestically drinking.
I see it, honey bun.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Thank you again. Oh, but of course, Your Majesty.
You just want them.
And what about you, dear? Fluttershy, is it?
Me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small.
Wait, you have a bird, which is
Nothing
sick.
means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects.
What is
Philomena,
that?
You're awake. Do say hello to our gracious hosts.
It's a parrot.
Oh, my.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
I've never seen anything like it.
Me neither.
Really? Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has requested an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
You left your bird behind.
Phew. Now I can eat something. I'm starved.
Poor Applejack.
Stay right where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt. Stay back! Back, I say! Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at least no big disasters happened.
Fluttershy took it. I'm pretty sure of that. Yes?
Poor little thing. How did you ever get in such bad condition? Don't you worry, Philomena. I'm Nursey Beck to help.
Philomena.
As a favor to the princess, who is obviously just far too busy to care for you properly.
No?
I'm sure
Maybe.
the princess will appreciate the help. Oh my! I better get you to bed right away. There.
Really? Wow. Too cold? Not too hot. Yeah. That's worse than leaving him alone.
This is far worse than I thought. What you need is some medicine. Stat!
No. Wait.
Here you go, Philomena. This will
There
fix
is
you right
no such bird that can be such
up.
hot.
Dr. Fluttershy expected that.
She will leave the
Always
pill.
works.
Yes. That's too big
Almost
pill.
always.
You have to cut it.
There's There's nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you. Come on now, you're not gonna get better if you don't cooperate. See? It's delicious. Good and good for you. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 woo woo!
Yeah, baking her neck.
Oh dear. Don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing.
Okay.
Look, Philomena. I brought a fellow feathered friend by to cheer you up. Hummingway here was sick once too, but he let me help him and got better in no time. Didn't you, boy? Say hello to your new friend, Philomena. Aw, look. I think he likes you. Your turn now, Philomena. Go ahead. You can do it.
Yes.
Good try.
No, she
Now
didn't
clear out
pay.
that tickle in your throat.
Oh,
A
here.
humidifier.
No, you have a sauna in your home.
Refreshing. How's that feeling now for you, Philomena? Better? Oh,
That won't work that
that's
fast.
okay. I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry, you're gonna get better. How about
Oh,
aromatherapy? Warm bath?
what?
Ointment?
Okay, that bed is allergic to ointment.
Scalpel. Surgical tape.
What are you doing?
Feathers.
You are taping the feathers back? Ooh, oh my god.
Philomena, I thought it would be easy to nurse you back to health, but I've tried everything I know. And look at you. You're worse than ever.
And they want Philomena back.
Hi, Fluttershy. I just wanted
No.
to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today. What is Celestia's pet doing here?
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
But she doesn't belong to you.
I had to do something.
Without telling any pony? Without asking permission?
Yes, you should ask
I
first.
know you had good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
But you're right. Okay, let's go.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes
No,
she's missing.
they already realized.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really? You don't say.
Too obvious.
It's dry now.
But it's daytime.
Well, day air's even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philomena, was it? Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye!
Phew. What are you doing? Going to return Philomena, remember?
You could just say
Why
that.
not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
Do you?
Well, no. But it can't be anything good. She might banish you you from Equestria, or throw you in a dungeon, or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
You really
Or
think
maybe
the princess would do that?
she could just
Granted, that probably won't happen, but do you want to take any chances?
thank you
All that
and
really
say that
matters
you
here is
should
that
have
poor
asked.
little Philomena
Maybe?
here gets well.
That's very noble of you. I'll write to you when you're banished. Unless I'm banished too somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
Please, Twilight, you just have to help me get Philomena healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. And everything will be fine.
Did you give her any kind of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly right.
She can't fly.
No excuses. Done. Okay, what else?
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
There you go.
How does that happen?
I don't think she likes it.
Tough love, baby. You want her to get well, don't you?
No animal likes the
Of course, but
color.
Next.
well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
One step ahead of you.
It's for your own good, Philomena, I promise. Please, just relax and try to get some sleep.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena, but she wouldn't eat it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right. Hey, where are you going?
Where's the color? Okay. Benny Hill again. And the bird is not there. Of course.
What are you two doing? Are you having a race? Oh, can I play? 1, 2, 3, go!
Excuse me.
Hey! Beg your pardon. Put me down!
What in tarnation?
Sorry, but we gotta find...
The princess's pet bird!
Philomena, come down from there! You'll hurt yourself!
Okay, what?
I'll catch you!
Okay, Philomena is a phoenix, I get it. The phoenixes get sick and turn into ashes
What is going on here?
once in a
Twilight?
in their life and
Your Majesty,
rebirth
there's been a terrible
as a
accident.
beautiful firebird.
It's all my fault.
No, Princess. Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault.
I'm the one who did it.
But you were only trying to help.
Some help I was.
Will you let me do this? She'll go easier on me.
But it's my fault.
No, it's my fault.
No, it's my fault! Wait, what are we talking about? Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight, but Princess Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing, then I was gonna bring it right back to you, honest. So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then that's what I deserve.
No? Philomena?
Oh, stop fooling around, Philomena. You're scaring every pony.
So Philomena He's a troll too. Just like her
I
owner.
don't understand. What is that thing? What
That's
happened to
majestic.
Philomena?
This is Philomena. She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix. Isn't that right, Philomena?
A phoenix?
A
Yes.
phoenix is a majestic and magic bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time, every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame. Rather melodramatic, if you ask me. It then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix. I'm afraid mischievous little Philomena here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy. Say you're sorry, young lady.
So, aren't you gonna banish me? Or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
Of course not, my little pony.
My little
Where
pony.
on earth would you get such an idea?
I guess I have some imagination.
Fluttershy really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philomena for you.
And I do appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have
That's
told
true.
you Philomena was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
I know. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves.
Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
No, that's quite all right. I think I can remember.
Oh,
It's beautiful. Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
okay, they can take it. Okay. Sorry. That was a good episode. I couldn't call it that Philomena was a phoenix, only at the very end. Maybe that her temperature could give it away, because there is no bird that can be such hot, with such hot body, even if it's really sick. But yeah, Fluttershy should have asked, but she didn't mean any harm. And we know that Celestia and her bird is troll. Yeah, she trolled Mr. and Mrs. Cake so badly. Okay, let's see. Next episode will be Cutie Mark Chronicles. Okay, that's the CMC episode, Cutie Mark Crusaders. I'm pretty sure of that. Maybe they will get their Cutie Mark in that episode. I don't know. So that's it for today. We will see you next time.